Hey, you boys like Warcraft? Oh, lowering disco ball, what the f?
Come inside.
Yeah, come on.
Meet your friends at the door.
My practice that you'll never see before.
Shake your stuff
To a musical beat.
Play life-size chess.
But don't you dare cheat.
Most of all,
Yeah, come on.
throw your worries away. Dive right in.
Yeah.
You'll never be the same. This is a place of funky, magical phenomena.
Yeah.
Anything goes for one night
In Carousel. Yeah, come on. It's definitely not as exciting as the advertisement was. Wait a minute. I've seen this game before. Could it be? Blizzard ripped off Microsoft classic Solitaire, which was created by Microsoft themselves. I mean, just look at the resemblances in this comparison. I mean, it's just uncanny, alright? It's just uncanny. It's like they're pixel perfectly the same game.
Metal Gear Rising Fag Vengeance.
I have discovered some shocking news.
What?
Hearthstone is a ripoff of Solitaire.
You what?
Hearthstone is just a ripoff of the Microsoft classic Solitaire.
How did I not know this already? It's so blatantly obvious.
Okay, I mean, they're both the same game. All the way down to the mechanics.
I can't believe this.
Wait a minute. You work for them!
Wait, what?
I mean, but there's nothing like some Overwatch, right? What? No! No!
Metal Gear Rising Fag Vengeance.
Oh, nothing like some classic Diablo.
I don't have a spell ready.
Die, skeleton. Die! These guys can't stand up to me. Fucking skeletons trying to face a swordsman. How dare you? What the fuck are these imps? Get out of here. Just everybody get out of here. This is my domain. Wait a minute. You boys like Warcraft? What? No! No! It can't be! All these Blizzard games that we know and love, that we spend our childhoods playing, they're all just rip-offs of other video games. And Keemstar owns Drama Alert! Keemstar owns Drama Alert!
Shake your stuff to a musical beat. Play life-size chess. But don't you dare cheat.